rates of food spoilage, the rates of reaction, are vital knowledge for our global economy.
The kinds of reactions that cause food to spoil are not very different than what chemists study in pure chemical solutions. What I always like to talk about food, it's the study of messy chemistry. For example, when you bite into an apple, you see it start to brown. That's an enzyme reaction. Potato chips, for example. One of the more interesting things that we're doing in our laboratory here, which is an application of chemical kinetics, is the study of little devices that can be used to monitor time temperature when a food goes through a distribution cycle. Well, since foods deteriorate at a faster rate when the temperature goes higher and at a slower rate when the temperature goes lower, if you had a device that could be put on a package that would essentially integrate the time temperature exposure and show a color change that could be related to the loss of quality of the food, then by simply picking up a package and looking at a device that may be on the package, you could tell how much more shelf life is left.
From supermarket to space. The manned space program has been an exciting challenge for the food chemist investigating rates of reaction.
These astronauts were only up there for a matter of days to maybe several weeks. And what we wanted to make sure was by the time the rocket went off, the food was still of good quality. And that's why we really had to study the rate at which the quality was lost and to package it in such a way that we could minimize that rate of quality loss.